In this video, we're going to continue doing a little housekeeping before we start lifting the heavy objects and everything. This time, we are going to go and look in the actual software. So I'll type LP-360 to open up the program here. And I am going to create a new project for purposes of this video. Steps we're going to go on later. If you already had everything and wanted to go straight into the import, you could, but we're just going to start with a new project for the purposes of this. And I'm going to put it in a root folder location on the C drive. I'm just going to put it right here. And we're going to call it and give it a name, Agricola North. And what spatial reference do I want my project to be in? You can, if you hit pull down, you can choose ones you've already used before. If not, you would hit the ellipsis here and navigate to the coordinate system that you want to use. So in state plane, and choose NAD 83 feet, and then you could choose the one that you want. So I'm going to choose Alabama East FIPS 101 and orthometric height of NAD 83 or 88 geo at 18. So I'm just going to choose it since I already have it, and I'm going to hit create project. And notice that when you did that, it automatically opened the add files dialog box. I'm going to close that for now, and we're going to do our housekeeping in the program before we start cooking any data. And we're going to go to file and go to project settings. Under project settings, under global, put an email address of whoever is processing the data, or whoever you want to get notifications of your processing tasks. So if you are running this, put your name in it. While in here, if you have not opened LP-360 before and you want your mouse operations to be like standard cab, or scroll in, scroll forward to zoom in and back, you invert your mouse wheel right here. So with all that done, I'm just going to hit OK. I'm going to go back to File, and I'm going to go down to License Manager. Under License Manager, you want to ensure that you have an LP-360 drone float. And I've already checked, so let me check these back in. When you open your program, it should look like something like this. These will be over here on the available products. You want to check them out so that you are actively using them. Also under licenses, you will see all of this. Okay, so close. That's important that you just checked it in. Only one person can use that at a time if you only have one license. So when you are done with LP-360, done for the day or done whenever, you need to check those files back in so that if someone comes behind you, they can use the program. One last thing is we're going to go back to project settings. So under here, we set our email and some settings. The other one, we checked out our LP-360 licenses. Under the EXP tab is how we will do our orthometric. So this check activation status to allow to get this to be open. It says it is activated, but yours may say it is not. In our OneDrive or at a location that you have stored is the activation key for allowing you to use the Agisoft Metashape tool. You would take that and put it in here, and then hit check activation status again, and it says it is activated. When you are done, you would do the same thing. You would deactivate and check it back, or you checked it out, you would check it back in. So I'm going to hit OK, and now I have all of the software checked out and licensed and set up. And that's it for this video. In our next one, we're going to start actually importing some data.